Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 4-hour, instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So all this here may look like a couple months worth of time. It's actually just the past couple of weeks broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Friendly reminder, Bitcoin is open 24/7. So if you're watching this video 15, 20 hours after I upload it, then yeah, the chart's going to look a little bit different for you. But my goal here from the presentation standpoint is to keep this video relevant for as long as possible. And I'm going to accomplish that by talking about more so general levels and then walking you through some questions. And based on how you answer those questions, that'll dictate the current status of the chart. So the big dynamic here that continues to be very important going forward is that green line there at 4,800, which is a very important level of support. And talked about this in the previous video where the price had made a great move back up above there. So actually the first off, the problem was the price fell back below it, but then got up above it. So the question at that point became, was the price going to be able to stay above it? And actually got a good confirmation of that. The price did pull back, and upon that pullback, the price did a good job of holding strong right there as support, and then in a sense bounced the price even further. But all that leads to the very first question that you need to ask yourself. So let's just use that 20-hour number. Let's say you're watching this video 20 hours from now. That key question still remains: where's the price at relative to 4,800? As long as you're answering the question that the price is up above 4,800, then that does imply that there's a good healthy consolidation going on right now, and that this current at least consolidation is still in play. Now, of course, it'd be much better if the price was, up above 7,000. But as far as the current consolidation, this action right here is concerned, as long as you're answering the question that the price is above that level, then that's a good step in the right direction. Now, if you're answering the question, well, Clay, the price is actually down below 4,800, the next question becomes, well, really, how far below? And the further down below 4,800, the more bearish of a situation. So, if the price is sitting right around here at 4,700, don't get me wrong, that's not a good sign, but that's much different than having the price coming and now being all the way down here at 4,000, for example. So, like I said, from that angle, common sense, gut instincts will take you far. But on the flip side, if you're saying, well, Clay, no, the price is up above 4,800, then the next question you're going to want to take an inventory check of is where's the price at relative to that purple line there, the 50-period moving average. And to just assign a value to that, let's call that 6,200. So if you're saying, well, the price is up above 4,800, well, is it up above 6,200? Because if it is up above 6,200, then that would imply that this 50-period moving average has been broken, and that would be a very big step in the right direction for the bulls. So use those couple levels and then walk yourself through those questions, and that'll dictate the current overall status of the chart. And finally, maybe you're saying, well, Clay, the price is still down below 6,200, but it is up above 4,800. So in other words, the price is somewhere right around here. At that point, one word could summarize that current price movement, and that would just be consolidation. So like I said, walk yourself through those questions, use those levels, and let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.